I'm called Obizu Keren. My dream in life is to widen my company. My company is called KK Love Designs. It's not yet a big one, so my dream is to widen it and have it in different branches. Like for example, next year, 2020, I'm planning to have it in Kampala and in Arua. So, and another dream I have is to help those in the villages, like where I come from. Many girls don't go to school, so my dream is to help those ones who have gotten married at an early stage, and like they don't really have that access to get money. So my dream is to teach them those vocational study skills in craft things, like maybe making doormats and so on, so that they can be able to cater for their families in case they're not able to afford school fees. Then, because I love kids so much and I'm in children's ministry, a Sunday school teacher, I'm also aiming at having an orphanage in the near future where I can create a children's center and enlarge my children's ministry. Then I also have a dream of touring many places since I've never crossed the border of Uganda sincerely. I want to travel many places in the world with the gospel of Jesus Christ, and I believe His grace is enough for me to do all this. Thank you. God bless you.